Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to close all tabs in Safari iOS 26. So if you have multiple tabs open on the Safari browser, and now you want all the tabs to close, then this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open the Safari browser. Then click on the three dots on whichever tab you are. Then click on all tabs. Now it should say all your tabs like this on the Safari browser. Click on the three dots at the top left, and then it should say select tab. Go ahead and click on that. Then select all the tabs that you want to close. Once you've selected them, locate and click on close at the top left as well. Then you spot that says close X number of tabs. Here, this is going to close 8 tabs for me at once. Click on it, and then you should see the tab closed. So repeat this again on all other tabs that you want to close on the Safari browser. And click on close, and then hit the close tab, and then you are good. So that's exactly how to close all tabs in Safari iPhone iOS 26. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.